Tim rolls into a room.
Ow.
That's why I said don't start till you get on the carpet. That's why I said don't start till you get on the carpet. Tim?
What?
Tim skips into a room. Tim sashays into a room. Tim walks on tiptoe into a room. Tim comes into a room backwards.
Stop.
Tim hops into a room. Okay, Tim, we're done with you. Thank you, Tim.
Come on.
That was really funny. The skipping one was my absolute favorite.
What?
The skipping one was my favorite. It was very funny.